Hey guys, welcome to a YouTube video. So the aim of this YouTube video is to download Eclipse and install xampp and how to run Eclipse with xampp. And there was no YouTube videos up there showing you how to do it, so we'll just get through it. So you've got to search for xampp. The link to the xampp-patches.org page will be in the description, and you can download it for Windows, Linux or Macintosh depending on your server. Now it's really important, so you've also got to install Java for it to work. So you go to Systems and scroll down to Advanced Settings and Environmental Variables, and if we have a look at some of the code here, this is the pathway to the Java folder. So like if I just hop out of this for a sec and have a look at the program files, got Java here, got Java JADK 22, Jari, and the latest. So what we had to do is actually copy that pathway and paste it here. Java JDK. Some people like to get rid of the numbers and just have JDK as part of their installment. Doesn't matter. I'll make another YouTube video on how to do that, and one how to install Eclipse and xampp. This is not the point of the video. That will be in my description when I get around to making them. Please like and subscribe, because it takes us a couple of weeks to make these videos, because we're into looking at the new best stuff. Now we get into it. What you want to do, you want to navigate the file xampp, because that's the software that you're using, and you want to go to Tomcat and Web Apps. Now here is where you save the file, and here's login pages, web app content, and I'll show you why it was called web content. I was having a lot of trouble copying some videos because they had added an extra folder and I didn't know the pathway for it. So first of all, you want to run your Tomcat server, and we'll hop in here. We've got our URL here all ready to go. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do with Eclipse, you want to open the browser, and how I got to this folder is I went to PC, local drives, wherever your xampp folder is saved. Scroll down till you see Tomcat and Web Apps, and then you select it, and then you launch it. And I'll pause that. So Eclipse is now loaded. So the first thing you want to do is come over here, click on this. It's frozen for some reason. Okay, and then you want to select Java SE. Or Java E. And then you want that to load in a while. And it's not having a good time with the film capture software. So you want to come over here where it says new, and if you haven't got dynamic web project here, you can also find it in others, and there it is. If not, just type in dynamic web project and there it will be. So then you click on that. Now we do not have to configure the version of Apache we're using, because essentially we're not going to actually be using Tomcat separately from xampp, so we have to run ours a little bit differently, but it doesn't matter. So now we're just going to create a project, unnamed one, Clayton. They recommend getting rid of these folders and putting src, and down the bottom it says builders class. Type that in, get rid of whatever's in there and put that in there, because that's how the pros are doing it. And in here directory, I was wondering why why that folder was never in there in the first place, and I was trying to copy it along with the video. So, and they did name these with capitals, so we'll just try and do it the same, and we'll finish that. And okay, now what essentially you want to do, we change these to capitals. I'll show you how to get this pathway in a minute. We're actually going to wait for load. Now that's loaded, I've still got to wait on it. Okay, so what we actually do is actually it's a bit hard to explain without doing this first. So once this is all loaded and you got a folder, open your folder. Where it says web content, we want to right click, hit new, HTML file, because we're making a HTML file as our first project, index.html. Actually we'll delete it now because I put it in capitals by mistake. HTML, next, finish, and once this loads it should come up. Now we'll change the title to something like welcome to home page, and we just write a message here, hello world, famous hello world. Then we save that, and what we do is we'll pop out of that for a moment. We find the folder that we created with Eclipse, our dynamic website, and have a look to see where it is stored in the folders. And we click on our folder, for instance, to say that's where we saved it, and we put it inside the web content folder. And then we just need to copy, we don't need web apps, we just need this pathway here, and go to the browser, we get rid of that one, and we put the pathway that we copied, but we don't need to because we can type it out off by heart, and we can just put it in there and search for it, and